Good morning, greetings and salutations, itsHadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. It's the, what day is it today? I think today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, and it is actually pretty warm today. It's 74 degrees. I'm in the car. I have some packages that I'm gonna mail out right there. And then I have a bunch of boxes back there that I'm gonna be dropping off to storage. And think we might go to the Goodwill. Not 100% certain, but probably will. Yeah, I think we actually will. But we're gonna head over to storage first because that's closer to the house. Then we're gonna go to the Goodwill, and then we will, or not the Goodwill, storage, post office, probably Goodwill, and then back home. So let's do that. All right, you guys, we just got to the storage unit. Let's go get this stuff inside of there. See what it looks like in here. Ooh, so neat and clean. Than it was before. Yay. So this is the stuff I have to drop off. I just have 2 boxes full. These are the Christmas villages, and that's also Christmas village, and then these are just my lighted spheres that I had inside my Christmas tree. So let's get these inside. Alright, you guys, just got everything dropped off inside the storage unit. I was gonna film a little bit more, but it was just really sunny. The sun is just like beating down right there, like right in the front. It's just like, so I was just trying to get in and out really quick. But now we're gonna head over to the post office and drop off the packages, and then off to the Goodwill. Alright, you guys, finally back to the Goodwill. I haven't been here in quite some time. Let's go inside and check it out. Alrighty, got a coach. Let's see how much they're asking. 30. That one is for sure fake. Every time, this one is too. Every time I see them, you can tell right off the bat. Check out this Michael Kors with like the horsehair leopard print. It's 25. Okay, handbags. Oh, look at this, like a little flower. That's actually pretty cute. It's a cute little clasp turn lock kind of detail right there. This tooled leather bag. It looks like something kind of spilled on it though. Let's see what we have over here. Some 9 West. Full leather fringe. This is Urban Expressions. We got some Steve Madden for you right there. America. Oh, this one's a Coach, but it looks like it got torn. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Every time I see this, it looks kind of like a Gucci, but it's not. What is this? Grace Adele? Yeah, this is a Vince Camuto. And it is $14.99. Oh yeah, too bad, it's like stained. I'm just gonna leave that one. Tia Neo. What is this? I think that's like that brand Wonder or something. Relic. Let's see what's over here. Dun, 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 dun. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The sack. Goodness, look at this. Around the world, come on. Okay, let's see what's on these cards. Ooh, look at these little birds. I think they're made of real feathers. Oh, here's another Vince Camuto. This one's not as in bad condition, but still kind of rough. Let's see how much this is. $7.99. Oh no. I think I know what this is. Like, I can't pronounce the name. Is it? No, it's not. Must be like a copy. But it's so cute. Oh my gosh, the little feet, the little feet. Okay, so I think it's like Henry Kieselstein Cord or something, I think was the brand that I was thinking of for the bag. Because I got one before, it had like a alligator with like little alligator feet. And it was so cute. That was like years ago though. But, whoa, what is this? Seats sterilized, 10 cents. Oh, this little elephant. Ooh, this cake stand. Plastic though. What do we have? Oh my gosh, these little rabbit plits. These are cute for Easter. There's only 4 though. These are melamine. I wish there were more. Easter is around the corner. We can do a thrifted Easter tablescape, perhaps. You guys, this is an Anthropology tea mug. Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I just found. I just found this Mickey Mouse like a dopp kit in this beautiful plaid. And then I found this cute little Cole Haan crossbody bag, $14.99. Check it out, you guys. I just found this giant aspirin paperweight. There's a little chip on there, but I actually don't mind it. Because, you know, sometimes real aspirins have little chips in them. Looking at the chairs. I don't know why this one's catching my eye. I kind of like the silhouette of it. And this one, too. I think it's just because they're like a velvety fabric. Alright, you guys, okay, so I'm so sorry that my battery died inside the store, but I did get the little aspirin thing, and I did get this. I left my battery inside the car, so I just changed it right now, and I just got home. I wanted to show you guys these cool Ray-Bans. I got them for Cade, because he had Ray-Bans before, but I think he like grew out of them because they were like the kid size, and yeah, so I think he can give those to probably Zach. Or even Elizo, and then he'll have these, and they're blue, which is his favorite color right now, so yay, 20 bucks. Okay guys, I have been cleaning. I put all the stuff back outside. Everything was piled in this room, like all the cushions and pillows and all that stuff. They're all back out. There's no rain really in the foreseeable future, and the crazy winds have died down. Excuse me. So I just put everything back outside. It's actually really nice outside. Let me bring you guys outside for a quick second. I miss being outside with all this stuff. Like, did I tell you guys about this? So that happened. It broke. I think it's been resting for a while, and one particularly windy day just like destroyed it. So I don't even know how it's still connected, but I need to throw it out. I honestly don't know how to fix this. This thing is really heavy. Gorilla Glue? Can you imagine? Oh my gosh, I can't. But yeah, the other one is still fine. This one unfortunately has fallen over. Luckily it fell over this way. Otherwise it could have broken through the glass. So yeah, that's the deal with over there. But let's go inside, and I think I'm gonna take down Elizo's train thing, which he's gonna be really mad about. But oh, look, there's also a pile of leaves I need to vacuum right there, but he's gonna be mad. I'm I'm gonna clean it up. Mom made for dinner. She made some delicious beef curry. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. It's like one of our favorite things. It's new that she started making. And tried and true, our turkey bacon pasta. So